This wall was going to be quite a bit taller, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink down this side and get a bit of a gable roof on here. And this wall, which was going to have nothing in it, is going to have another one of these. I've got two of these. The other one's going up high on that side. And this one is going to sit vertically in there. Well, that's the plan. Perfect. So the whole weight of that window is going to go onto here, pressing down onto here. So it's pretty tight, pretty solid. That should take the weight of that window. The plan, the finished product. It's a beautiful day. Listen to the ducks. All right, today I'm basically doing the same thing I did yesterday, but the wall is bigger and the window is bigger. We're gonna fit in this guy. Beauty, huh? So it's a bigger, heavier window, so it's going to need more supports. So I'm going to put 2 in at this stage, and then I'll be putting in 2 on the sides just to keep it all pushed together. Done for the day, and I think that's my budget about done for now, so that might be it for a little while. Thanks for watching.